Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Sorry for the jerky cam, I'm doing this on my phone. I'm just heading off to Monk's Cross Pond, one of my geocaches, because I've had to disable it. There's been some reports about it not being in very good condition, so I'm just going to go and check it out. It is a shame that people just dump stuff here. I'm not going to be hanging about here because there are some people knocking around the pond. I actually hid this cache over there by that tree, and it is clear that there have been people knocking about here. And look, that petrol canister, that's new. So the geocache that I hid has totally gone walkies. Now I do have this one with me, which I can hide in its place. The question is where to put it. See, I did like this tree for its nice little holes and nooks and stuff. Still not sure what that's doing here. And there is a really nice one here. So I think if I pull that right up to the lip, that is actually quite high there because it's there. Right, I'm going to chance that, see how it goes. So I'll make it live on the system again and see if it stays in one piece.